Restrictions have been further intensified across occupied Kashmir ahead of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit scheduled to take place on 19th April. On the heel of the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's scheduled visit to Kashmir, the authorities have intensified restrictions across the territory, triggering widespread anxiety among the local population. Indian troops continued coordinated search operation in the Poonch district. The troops launched an operation on the Monday evening and fired several bullet shots in the Lasana area of the Surankot area in the district. Taking to the microblogging platform X, the Indian Army claimed that a contact was established with the militants during a joint operation with the forces at the Lasana Surankot last night. People's Democratic Party leader Iltija Mufti on Tuesday launched a sharp attack on the National Conference, accusing it of having a tactical understanding with the Bharatiya Janata Party in occupied Kashmir. Speaking to the reporters in Srinagar, Iltija alleged that the National Conference has repeatedly compromised on the interest of the people for the political convenience and the power. National Conference MP Agha Ruhollah Mehdi has said that his party has virtually cut off communication with him, especially after he joined the student-led protest and the reservation policy outside the Chief Minister Umar Abdullah's residence in December last year. In an interaction on the Twitter space, Ruhollah said that until the assembly elections and for some period thereafter my views were taken seriously. I was told that even if the party didn't agree with my methods, it was aligned with the politics and the ideas. But after the reservation protest, the communication between me and the party has become almost non-existent. A lawyer allegedly shot himself dead in the Kishtwar last Monday night. The lawyer, identified as Advocate Ghulam Nabi Zargar, allegedly shot himself in the Akhyarabad later in the evening. He used his weapon license. At least 4 people lost their lives and over 30 others were injured in multiple road accidents across occupied Kashmir in the past 24 hours. A pre-dawn accident near Banihal in the Ramban district claimed 1 life and left 9 others injured.